Hey there, Minecrafters. Welcome to this Minecraft video here on the channel. And within this tutorial, we're going to be looking at how to spawn entities and mobs in the game with custom names. So I'm actually redoing this tutorial because in Minecraft 1.21.5 that we're in right now, there's been some subtle syntax tweaks or changes when it comes to supplying text data, raw text, that kind of thing. So that is why I'm redoing this tutorial. If you do learn something new and you want to support the channel, be sure to like, share, and subscribe. It'd be very much appreciated. And make sure that you hit the bell so you're notified of new videos here on the channel. But without further ado, we're going to get straight into it. I have 3 command blocks here as examples of what I want to show in this video. So the first one is as simple as it gets. We have a mob or an entity, in this case a spider, with a simple name. So we have Rachnera as a name. Quite a fitting name for a spider, I guess, in Minecraft. But you can see here a very standard custom name, just a white name, no styling, no coloring, nothing like that. So that's the first one. That's like level 1, I guess you could say. Level 2 is we have a slime here, which is named Sue, as you can see. Good old Sue the slime. And you can see here we have like a minty green custom name. So this is a custom name with some coloring on it. So that's level 2. Level 3 is with styling. So we have a horse here, which is yellow and bold, as you can see here. And this one is Centorea, as you can see. So pretty cool. And you can see here we're applying different styling, different effects and stuff like that. And when it comes to the actual names or any kind of text in Minecraft, these are the styling that you can actually use. So we've got bold, italics, underlined, strike through, and obfuscated. So those are the stylings we can use with the names here. In this case, I'm using the bold styling, but those are the 3 examples, and it's pretty straightforward to do this. You can do this with any entity in the game. So, you could do this on a cow, you could do this on the Ender Dragon even. You can do it with any mob or entity in the game. So I'm now going to show you these commands in a text editor so you can see it in more detail, and I can show you how it works. All right, everyone, we're now inside the text editor right here, and you can see here we have the 3 commands I want to go through here. I will put these commands in the description of the video as well. But first off, we have the very simple. So every single entity in the game can be given a custom name tag. And at the very top, we have the simplest way of doing that. So we're doing a summon command to summon an entity. We're doing a spider, and these relative coordinates just make sure that I spawn it 1 block above the command block. You do not need to use a command block. I'm just using it as part of the tutorial. You can just type out this command in your text chat or whatever, but you can see here we're just doing custom name, colon, and then Rachnera as the name. So that's pretty straightforward. Now, the next one, we have the slime. And in this case, we actually have to provide text data. So we're doing custom name and we're providing a text data object. So we are providing some text as Sue as a name. And we are then providing a hexadecimal color code. So this is a minty green color that I found on the internet. So you can use any hexadecimal color code you want in this particular text object. So that is doing a colored custom name. And then this one is exactly the same with a horse and Centorea, as you can see, but we're setting the bold styling to true. So, and using a different color. So you can see here using the custom name data tag is very simple. And you can use this pretty easily with your commands. Okay, everyone, that's about it for this tutorial here. If you want to follow my socials, they are on screen and in the description. And if there's any other tutorials you want me to do, let me know in the comments down below and I may do it for a future video. But stay happy and healthy, everyone. Hope you have a nice day, and I'll see you in the next video.